How to close Google Form responses. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can close Google Form responses. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to the Google Form. For that, open up a Chrome browser, type in Google Form, press enter in your keyboard. Now head towards the first link. If you're logged into your account now, from your recent form, you have to open up the form where you want to close the responses on. Once you land on this interface, head towards the top right, and if your form is already published, click on this published button at the top right. After that, you will see this toggle right here that says accepting responses. You have to turn off this toggle and then click on save. And with that, it says this form is not accepting responses. So that's the way to close responses on Google Form. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.